So let's now learn the next chapter, which is chapter number 8, Evaluation and Review, Matters Relating to Specific Accounting Issues. In this chapter, we are going to learn about, specific accounting related areas. We're going to discuss about some portion of accounting and how do they impact on our auditing. Like what evidences we can ask, what kind of, documents we can inspect, what kind of risk are attached to those specific related accountings, etc. There are few concepts which are carryover from our AA subject, so I'm not going to discuss those again because it's going to be a repetition for you, but you are expected to know that. So for that, what I've done is I've summarized the notes and created a basic concept of those particular accounting areas or financial reporting areas which you are supposed to know before you come to this particular chapter. This is the same thing that you would have learned in your FR. This is the same thing that you would have learned in your SBR as well. So if you are someone who have got exemption in your FR, you've got exemption in your audit, and you have not written SBR yet, then this is specifically for you to read them. But if you are someone who have completed your FR and then you're sitting for audit, then your knowledge would be just a carry forward. It's just a refresher. So just even then you read it so that you can understand the basics of where we are coming from. If you're someone who have got exemption for audit, then definitely you have to read it in detail. As well as in your BBP textbook, essential reading, evaluation and review chapter, review chapter for part of your essential reading. Only then you come to this particular chapter or come to the next videos, because it's very important that you know the base accounting concepts which you would have learned in your lower level subjects. So if I keep repeating it, then we're just wasting our time. So I'll be focusing primarily on this particular aspect of accounting and auditing. But in this chapter, we're going to learn additional aspects which you might not have learned in AA. For AAA, what we have to take care about is something that we're going to learn in this particular chapter.